another bitter cold day here. Check out that lake smoke, though. It was a little bit taller than yesterday here at the Twin Ports. Absolutely magical looking, but extremely, extremely cold as that cold air goes across that warm lake. Temperatures this morning through the overnight hours, a low of negative 41 in Cotton, Minnesota, 40 below in Embarrass, 39 in Cabot, Tagama. I hope I'm saying that right. Let me know. And then 30 below in Cloverdale, 25 below in Kettle River, and we started off the day at 23 below zero here in Duluth. And right now for our high temperatures today, we made it to 3 below in Duluth and Hibbing as well, 2 below in Superior, and the high temperature, ready for this, ready? 1 in Silver Bay. That's it. But you rose above zero. I can't complain, right? We're sitting here at Fox 21 right now at 6 below zero under mostly clear skies. Current temperatures across the region, not too bad at the Twin Ports here, 17 below in Hayward, but as you take a look up north, very, very cold temperatures already, 26 below in Ely, 24 below in Grand Marais, bitter cold. So be careful out there. Dew points very dry. This is why we need a lot of lotion. We're feeling that hair frizzing. Very, very dry air sitting here over the Northland, but thankfully those winds have stopped. So those wind chills up to the north, not a big problem here, but in Grand Marais here in Duluth, 5-mile-an-hour wind, making it feel more like 24 below zero here in Duluth, more like 38 below zero in Grand Marais. Dangerous cold. You get frostbite within 10 minutes up there. Be careful. Wind chill advisories in effect all across the borderlands and into the Arrowhead through tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. As you can see, those wind chill factors just continuing to be dangerously cold out there. But good news, kind of good news. Slight warm up headed our way through the overnight into tomorrow as that low pressure brings in warmer air. Snowfall along with it as well. Now, it's not going to be a massive snowfall amount, but we will see some flurries and lake effect as well as we head through the overnight hours. So as if we didn't have enough lake effect already from all this cold air going across the lake, onto Noggin Head, 8.2 inches of snowfall from the lake effect, and you can see that amount goes down from there. But even in Cornucopia, 3 inches. It just got hammered yesterday, and that's going to continue to be the case as this cold air continues here. So clouds arriving early morning tomorrow. We'll see some flurries start later in the morning, mostly around the head of the lake, and then we'll see lake effect snow along the north shore through the afternoon into the evening hours as winds are out of the southeast. Then those winds shift, and we're going to see lake effect snow along the south shore. Then as we head into the overnight, we're going to see that lake effect start to push into the snow belt. So lake effect still on. You can see some of that lake still starting to freeze over. It's kind of cool. In terms of how much snowfall we're going to get, well, just about 1 to 2 inches. It's going to be light, fluffy snow because we're in such a dry air mass right now. So forecasted high temperatures for tomorrow in the single digits above zero. Yay! Finally, right? 3 degrees in Hibbing, 5 in Duluth, and 8 in Superior, and about maybe 10 degrees down in Siren as we head through the day. Those winds will be shifting. Remember, North Shore lake effect through the early morning into the afternoon, then it shifts as we head through the evening hours down to the South Shore at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. So those feel like temperatures, of course, look at them. Cold to start, but they get warmer as we finally head through the night. So some relief is in sight as that low pressure bringing that snow brings us some warmth. That lasts here through Friday as well with a high temperature of 3. The sun comes back out. Then another Arctic blast heads our way. Not as cold, but definitely still cold enough. Overnight lows drop back down to the double digits below zero. We don't rise above zero again for the next few days through the weekend, and we ring in the new year very cold.
Okay. Yay.
I know, I'm sorry.
Trying to be optimistic about that.
I know.
Thanks, Brittany.
You're welcome.